So here is my template that I created first. And here I have, when you hover, it just gives that little square where basically it helps the public know where to go. And then here I have my large screen right here, and the template that was basically imported through my PHP that I used. And then I use iPhone 6.7 to show my mobile version right here, which I built first, and then I went to the large screen. So now let's see the code. So I have it open so I can demonstrate it again. So I validate it and no errors. Everything is good. Well, thank you so much for watching. Have a good night or good day.